Hey Tube, welcome back. Have you ever been on a video call and experienced a frustrating delay or tried to load a website only to share at or only to stare, not share, sorry, only to stare at a blank screen for what feels like an eternity? This is a common problem and the main culprit in a performance metric called latency. So this experience we call it latency. So what is exactly latency and why does it matter so much? So let's try to understand what is latency. Let's have here our pin. We have our client and we have our server. The client wants to get some data from the server. So the client will send a request and the server will respond to this request. The time that it takes the request to reach the server and the response to reach the client, the time that takes this process to be done, we call it latency. So, what is latency? In simple terms, latency is the time delay between a request being sent and a response being received. It's a measure of the round trip time for data. Okay, so it's often measured in milliseconds, and the goal for any system is to have the lowest possible latency. Okay, what causes latency? Latency can be caused by several factors, and it adds up along the way. I would say the most significant one will be the physical distance between the client and the server. The further your computer or your server is from the server, the further the client is from the server, the longer it takes for the data to travel, even at the speed of light. This is why a server in New York will always respond slower to a user in Australia than a user in Boston, for example. There are other factors actually that causes latency. One of them is the number of hoops or stops along the network path. Like every time your data passes through a router or a switch, it adds a tiny bit of processing time. Also, we can think about the type of connection you have. Like fiber optic cables will transmit data much faster than older copper wires. Also, and I would say finally, the server's processing time, the software. Basically, how long does it take for the server to generate a response once it received that request? Okay, next we need to talk about latency versus bandwidth because it's a pretty important topic. And I would say a lot of people confuse latency with bandwidth. They are two different things. Think of a water pipe. Bandwidth is the width of the pipe. It's the maximum amount of data that can flow through at any given time. Latency is the time it takes for the first drop of water to travel from one end to the other. You can have a very wide pipe with a huge amount of data capacity, but if the pipe is miles along, the first drop of water is still going to take a long time to reach its end. Okay, so in conclusion, while bandwidth is about volume, latency is about speed and responsiveness. Low latency is critical for a great user experience, whether you are gaming, streaming, or just browsing. This is why major companies build their infrastructure all over the globe, closer to their users to eliminate high latency. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching it, and see you in the future.